Hi Manchester! One way to make funky paper treatments is the shaving cream marbleized way. So the supplies that you will need for this is some kind of tray or a shallow dish or a pan. You will need shaving cream. It needs to be foamy. See? You will need some food dye. You could also use liquid watercolors if you happen to have that at home. You'll need some paper. You will need something to scrape the colors through the shaving cream. I'm using toothpicks. You could use like a paintbrush or something. And you'll need something to scrape all of the excess shaving cream off of your paper. So I have a piece of old cardboard here, or you could use paper towels. All right, so your first step is to really add a lot of shaving cream, like add a layer of shaving cream to the bottom of your pan. I'm going to go ahead and do it a little bit more. Okay, so that's what I have. Then you're going to pick your colors. I'm going to do blue and green. Blue's my favorite color. And really put a lot of dots. The more dye, the more color you add, the better it's going to turn out. The more color you'll have on your paper. So you're going to make a print with this. So you're going to be making a mark onto your paper with this. That's called printmaking. And then I'm going to use green, and we're going to add some green kind of going throughout. Let me shake this up a little. Okay. There we go. Go kind of everywhere. Look at that fun design I got going on there. And then I'm going to take my toothpick and I'm going to kind of move the food dye around everywhere, kind of mixing it up a little bit, moving it around. Let's make this really cool swirly design. All right, and then I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to make a print with it. So I'm going to put it right down on top of everything and push, because what's happening under here now is that food dye is going to be on your paper. It's making a print with it. It's making a mark on your paper, and you can almost see through. You see through the paper a little bit. You can see the design that it's starting to make. This is going to look really cool. And then I'm going to wipe my hands off. And I'm going to peel this away. I'm going to move this for a minute. And I'm going to put this down on my table. And now I'm going to you can take either your paper towel to wipe it off, or you can take a piece of cardboard and you can scrape off all of that shaving cream. So here we go. Ready? That is so cool. I'm going to take a paper towel and scrape the rest of that off. Oh my gosh. That is awesome. I wish I had more blue. I wish the blue would have showed up more. So now what I can do, since I'm not really satisfied with the amount of blue that I got there, I'm going to add more blue. You can reuse this all over again. You can put red on top of it. You can add yellow, whatever colors you have at home. So I'm going to generously, it means a lot, I'm going to really apply a lot more blue food dye to that. Swirl it around a little bit. Mixy, mixy. Oh yeah. All right, here we go. Oop. This paper is a little too big. I'm going to cut this down. It's not really going to fit. And try it again. Hopefully it'll add more blue this time. All right, push. Let's see what kind of print this makes. Oh, I hope the blue works better this time. big reveal. Oh, look at that. All right, here we go. And I'm gonna scrape it. First, I'm gonna get rid of all that. This is kind of a messy art / science experiment, but it also smells good because of the shaving cream. All right, I'm gonna now scrape all that off and let's see how it looks. Ooh, more blue. Taking another paper towel and wiping some of that off. That looks really cool. The green is showing up a little bit better than the blue, but I like it. I actually almost like that one a little bit better. And there you go. That's one way to make funky paper treatments. You can leave it this way if you want. You can let it dry, and then you could draw on top of it if you would like. So that is shaving cream marbleized paper.